Hi, this is Silke with jaggerfoods.com. I received a lemon lime squeezer for review from Silke Kitchen the other day, and I would like to demonstrate it, try it out, and see if it works, how it works. It says you get every last drop from your fruit. Save time and effort, cleans in seconds, engineered to be easy on the hand. So this is a sturdy little gadget, metal with a powder coating, I assume, and it has two different squealy thingies, one for lime, a smaller one for lime, and the bottom one for lemon. So let's see, to try it out, I'm gonna make just a really simple lemon dressing for a salad dressing, and we need just 5 basic ingredients: a couple lemons, a couple of limes, some extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper, and some minced garlic. I have minced garlic that's already in olive oil, but if you want fresh garlic, you can use a couple of cloves of garlic. The full recipe will be on our blog, and the link will be in the bottom of the video. So all right, so let's try out a lemon. First, I have these washed, and I'm gonna just cut one in half. And again, there's two different settings on this, two different sizes, I guess. So what you're supposed to do is put the lemon face down in here so it fits pretty nicely, and then squeeze. Oh, okay. So that's actually pretty easy to squeeze. So, wow, that's quite a bit of lemon juice there. Let's see. Oh, look at. It's an inverted lemon. Oh yeah, look at. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Oh, that is. All right, cool.
So there's a half of one. Let's do another one. Oh yeah. Oh. All right. Oh, that smells good. All right. So what I should have done is I should have cut up all the fruit first. Probably would have been a little bit more fluid here. Let's get this.
Oh dear.
Yeah, cut my fingers.
Don't try this at home.
Alright, well, I haven't done one of these recipe videos in a while, as you can probably tell. Alright. So, and it catches the seeds. Well, that's nice. Alright, let's do another lemon here.
It's easy to squeeze it together.
It is.
Minimal effort.
The lemons are a little bit large. My hands are pretty small, so start out with 2 hands. I mean, if you were doing this, you could just do it with 1 hand, but yeah, if I do it with 2 hands. It's really, it's metal, so it's really nice to work with.
Well, they should go a little easier.
Oh yeah, so then the lemons, I guess, the limes, since they're smaller, I'm supposed to use the smaller section. So whatever, always use the size that fits your fruit the best. So let's see how this goes. Yeah. Squeeze this right through there. And it's kind of neat how that comes out. Yeah. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, well, it's only 2 of us, so this is probably.
Yeah, I was gonna say you got a lot of liquid out of those.
Yeah, we're gonna end up with a lemon dressing for 15 people here. All right, so this is and one little seed did go in here. Not a big deal. So this is our juice, and we're gonna add some olive oil, some minced garlic. I don't know, we don't want to smell like the Italians. And a little bit of salt. We do have to go around people. That's stuck now. A little salt. And a bunch of pepper. And I usually don't measure my spices. I've cooked long enough there, you can tell. Alright, and this is the basic lemon vinaigrette. So you could, of course, always doctor this up, put some fresh herbs in it, maybe some cilantro, parsley, fresh parsley. You could put some chives, fresh cut chives in here. But this is a nice Oh, I don't know about nice. Let's try it first. Oh, wow. Yeah, that is nice. A nice little vinaigrette for, you know, a summer salad. Springtime is perfect. So, yeah. Well, let me put the salad together, and then I'll show you, not in the video, but I'll show you on our blog what the salad looks like. And anyway, so this is the lemon lime squeezer from Silke Kitchen. It's metal. It's gonna last you forever. I mean, yeah, very nice. It's easy to use. It's really bright and colorful. It also comes in a pink for ladies that like pink kitchen. But yeah, I like it, and I think I'm gonna be using this quite a bit, especially in the summertime for making lemonades and what have you. So lemon chicken, anything lemon is good. Lime is good. It's good for you. Lots of and what is it?
Antioxidants.
Antioxidants. So, all right, well, check it out. I'll put the link in our video. And yeah, very good. Thank you, Zule. And thank you, Kelly from Silke Kitchen for the personalized note too. All right, have a good day. Bye.